past tense and past perfect. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Yulita Mufidatul Ula. Here, I am the moderator who will guide the course of the Group 3 presentation. The name of member group Labibah Afaf, Ainur Cahyati, Imam Zarkasi, Muhammad Muhsin, Aiza Cahya Muhti, and Yulita Mufidatul Ula. Presentation material is definition of past tense and past perfect, characteristic features of past tense and past perfect, time signal of past tense and past perfect, formula of past tense and past perfect, example and analysis of past tense and past perfect. Definition past tense. Pengertian simple past tense adalah suatu bentuk tense yang menggambarkan suatu kejadian yang terjadi pada satu spesifik waktu di masa lampau. Kata kerja yang digunakan pada tense ini harus berupa kata kerja kedua atau verb to. Serupa dengan simple present tense, bentuk ini merupakan salah satu tense yang paling dasar dan sering digunakan pada saat penulisan atau percakapan dalam bahasa Inggris.
I am Aiza Cahaya Muhti. I will explain about characteristic past tense. To verbal, verb to plus complement, adverb, adjective, and noun. For nominal, was, were, and verb 1. Subject, she, he, it, Rosa, Andin, and Rahmat. Where, was. Subject, I, you, we, they, where, were.
I am Ainur Cahyati. I will explain about the time signal. That is, yesterday, kemarin, last week, minggu lalu, last year, tahun lalu, a month ago, sebulan yang lalu, last night, tadi malam, a few minutes ago, beberapa menit yang lalu, and an hour ago, sejam yang lalu. And then, I will explain about formula past tense. Formula past tense verbal. Positive, subject plus verb to plus complement. Negative, subject plus did not or didn't plus verb 1 plus complement. Interrogative, did plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. And formula past tense nominal, positive, subject plus was or were plus complement. Negative, subject plus was or were plus not plus complement. Interrogative, was or were plus subject plus complement. Dapat diketahui bahwa di formula past tense nominal itu ada was dan were. Was itu untuk kata tunggal seperti nama orang, she, he, dan it. Dan were itu untuk kata jamak seperti I, you, we, they.
I am Labibah Afaf. I will explain about example of positive sentence from past tense and the analysis. Example from verbal sentence. Tony bought a book last week. The analysis, Tony sebagai subjek, bought sebagai verb to, a book sebagai complement noun, last week sebagai time signal. The example from nominal sentence. Adele was sick yesterday. The analysis, Adele sebagai subjek, was sebagai verb to, sick sebagai adjektif, yesterday sebagai time signal.
I am Muhammad Muhsin Ali Maksum. I will explain about example of negative sentence from past tense. Bentuk verbal. Tony did buy a book last week. Bentuk nominalnya, Adele was sick yesterday.
I am Imam. I will explain about the example and analysis. Interrogative. 1. Did Tony buy a lock last week? Did verb 2, subject Tony, verb 1 buy, complement noun a book, time signal last week. Was Adele sick yesterday? Was verb 2 Adele, subject sick adjective, yesterday time signal.
I am Muhammad Muhsin Ali Maksum. I will explain about the definition past perfect. Past perfect tense adalah tense yang menjelaskan sesuatu yang sudah terjadi di masa lalu. Penekanan past perfect tense bukan pada waktu terjadinya sesuatu, melainkan pada pengesahan kalau sesuatu itu benar-benar terjadi. The characteristic predikat kalimat dalam bentuk tense ini sering sekali dikaitkan berupa had plus past participle atau verb 3.
I am Imam. I will explain about the verbal. Positive. Subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. Negative. Subject plus had plus not plus verb 3 plus object. Interrogative. Had plus subject plus verb 3 plus object. Nominal. Positive. Subject plus had plus been plus object. Negative. Subject plus had plus not plus been plus object. Interrogative. Had plus subject plus been plus object.
I am Yulita Mufidatul Ula. I will explain about the time signal. Before sebelum, after sesudah, when ketika, until hingga, just baru saja, as soon as secepatnya.
I am Labiba Afaf. I will explain about example of positive sentence from past perfect and the analysis. The example from verbal sentences: he had helped her mother after he played game. The analysis: he sebagai subject, had sebagai auxiliary, help sebagai verb T, after sebagai time signal, object or complement. The example from nominal sentences: she had been a doctor. She sebagai subject, had sebagai auxiliary, been sebagai to be verb 3, a doctor sebagai complement noun.
I am Ainur Cahyati. I will explain about the example and analysis past perfect negative, verbal and nominal. Example and analysis verbal. He had not helped her mother after he played game. Adapun keterangannya yaitu subjeknya he, auxiliary had plus not. Verb ketiganya yaitu help, time signalnya after, dan object plus complement. Adapun example and analysis nominal, she had not been a doctor. Subjeknya yaitu she, auxiliary-nya yaitu had plus not. To be atau verb 3-nya yaitu been. Dan komplement noun-nya yaitu a doctor.
I am Aiza Cahaya Mukti. I will explain about example and analysis past perfect interrogative. Had he helped her mother after he played game? Subjeknya he, auxiliary-nya had, verb 3-nya helped, time signalnya after, object atau complement. Yang kedua, had she been a doctor, subjeknya he, auxiliary-nya had, verb 3-nya been, noun-nya a doctor.